Hello! If you are looking for inspiration in your life, I think this video is for you. My name is Rimantas, I'm a yoga teacher from Lithuania, and today I would like to invite you to free and open yoga and meditation classes. Me and other yoga teachers, we are organizing free and open yoga and meditation classes in Berlin in Treptower Park. We start our event on 14th of August and we will finish on 20th of August. So for 7 days, every day, we yoga teachers are going to share free yoga asana classes, free meditation classes, lectures about yoga and meditation on various topics that related with yoga practice. And also every day we are going to do 1 hour of mantra Om chanting. Mantra Om, it is very powerful practice. It is actually, very deep, strong, and very life-changing practice. So this event is absolutely free and open for everybody. You can come at comfortable time for you. In the most days we will have our program in the evening, and on Sunday we will have our program in the morning time. So please take your mat, please take comfortable clothes, please invite your friends and come and join our practice. All program will be in 2 languages. Program will be in English language and in Russian language. If you'll have more questions, feel free to write message to me, or please take a look at description of this video and you will find all program and all information related with this event. Thank you for watching and see you very soon. Goodbye.
Sade